First, open a web browser. Search for your Canon printer driver. Click the official Canon support link. Scroll down to the Software and Drivers section. Find the PCL6 driver and click Download. After downloading, select Show in Folder. Double-click the file to extract it. Then, run the setup application. Click Next, then click Yes to accept the agreement. The installer will search for printers on the network. Select your printer from the list and click Next. The driver will now be installed. Once finished, click Exit. Open Control Panel, then Devices and Printers. Your new printer will appear in the list. Right-click and select Printer Properties. Click Print Test Page to confirm it's working. The installation is now complete.